Today, I would like to discuss with you about what kinds of affidavits are being filed, being drafted, and how to draft that. Because, first, number one, a letter of affidavit of undertaking, affidavit of declaration, affidavit of indemnity. These three categories of affidavits are uh, being filed before authorities, bank authorities, tahsildar, school authorities, wherein they may claim certain date of birth, father's name, ally's name. For all those things, they want an affidavit. That affidavit is called affidavit of undertaking, or affidavit of indemnity, or affidavit of declaration. That you have to say that affidavit of undertaking, or affidavit of declaration, or affidavit of indemnity. Indemnity bond is totally different. Affidavit of indemnity is something different. Uh, what is difference between indemnity and surety or guarantee means? Indemnity means self guarantee. If I give this sort of declaration by affidavit, if subsequently found false, I am ready to indemnify the loss being caused by my this declaration. So for that indemnity of affidavit, that indemnity bond is something different. For employment, we used to uh, execute a deed by stamp, Indian stamp paper. That is called indemnity bond. See how to draft this declaration in affidavit of indemnity and affidavit of undertaking means I so and so do hereby solemnly affirm sincerely state as follows. I submit that my date of birth is so and so, but erroneously mentioned in the school certificate. Therefore, I state that my date of birth is so and so. Then you have to say, I swear and declare that what is stated in above para about my date of birth as so and so is true to the best of my knowledge and belief. Then thereafter you have to say, finally, if I am ready to indemnify if anything subsequently found false by this declaration, that is called a burden. So finally you have to say, I swear and declare that what is stated in above paras are true to the best of my knowledge and belief. This is for all these three affidavit you have to do. And left corner you have to say testimony, solemnly affirm, sincerely stated, read and explained, and signed in the presence of me this day so and so in English or Tamil or put her thumb imprint in the presence of me. So thereafter before me advocate or notary advocate should be attested. But the affidavits are being filed before Supreme Court should be attested by Commissioner of Court. This is called affidavit of indemnity. This is being filed before the authorities. But before the court, there are three categories of affidavit. Number one, that affidavit raising memorandum of grounds. Sometimes we used to file affidavit by stating all the facts, and we used to raise memorandum of grounds, and affidavit contains prayer. It is therefore prayed this honorable court may be pleased to call for the records in son to cause the say and so on. So this is affidavit. That affidavit then should be accompanied by the petition. The petition for the reason set out in the accompanying affidavit, the petitioner prays that this honorable may be pleased to same prayer contained in the affidavit. This is called this prayer. This is a affidavit with prayer, affidavit of memorandum of grounds. But other one affidavit is proof affidavit. Because of subsequent amendment in the CPC Order 18, evidence are being filed by filing proof affidavit. Even in criminal cases also, under section 267 and 9, you can file proof affidavit to prove government officials may file proof affidavit. That proof affidavit finally you have to, the prayer column must say, it is therefore submit that this honorable court may be pleased to take this affidavit on file and record and dispose the suit according to law and renditions. That should be the prayer. or you may still say that therefore pray this honorable may be pleased to take this affidavit and file as a proof of evidence, and decree the suit as prayed for, whatever it may be. That is affidavit of proof. Then another affidavit, sometimes the court may insist for affidavit of service, affidavit of something which may require attention of that's called a memorandum affidavit declaring certain particulars. There you have to say I do hereby solemnly I submit that I am advocate clerk and this honorable directed to take service. I by RPAD I took RPAD service. That was served on the respondent. It is finally you have to say it is therefore this honorable may be pleased to take this affidavit on file and record as a proof of service and dispose the suit according to law and render justice. This is the all form. So this kind of affidavit you should keep in your mind. This affidavit, so far Tamil Nadu is concerned, may be attested by the advocates. These all are the affidavit. I think you understand the way of affidavit. Best wishes.